Today we're going to show you how to reset your factory alarm on your Ford Mustang. We changed our battery, and ever since then our flashers have been going off in our car and we can't get it to start. So you know it's a factory alarm because your flashers will be going off and you won't be able to start your car like this, no matter how many times you crank it. What we're going to do is we're going to unhook the battery again for 5 minutes and put the car in the run mode, which is the second one. Go from there. We're going to unhook the negative terminal of our Mustang. I loosened that earlier. And now we're going to put the key in the ignition and turn it to the run position. We're going to put the key in the ignition and set it to run. I'm going to wait 5 minutes before we try to start the car again. After 5 minutes, we're going to hook the battery on. And we're going to do all these steps in order so it works correctly. So first step is reconnect your battery. Now turn the car off and pull your key out and hit the lock button on your door. That will reinitialize the alarm, and now we should be able to start our car. Now that we have our car started and everything's fixed, I'm just going to tighten this back up. And that's how you reinitialize your factory alarm on your Ford Mustang. We will have written instructions in the description of this video. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.